Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you my productive Sunday reset routine, where I'm going to share my tiny habits that help me keep my space clean and prep me for the upcoming week. First thing, making my bed. I know by now you must have heard this millions of times that making your bed first thing in the morning is the best thing. Sounds basic, but trust me, it's really effective. By completing these tiny tasks gives you a sense of accomplishment and helps you keep motivated all day long. Since I was a child, Sunday used to be my favorite day of the week for all the good reasons. But growing up, it slowly converted into a productive day of the week, and to be honest, I like it this way. Because now it's not just any random day spent with a bit of fun, but it is a fun plus productiveness, and I love it. And it doesn't have to be boring. You can always select the tasks or hobbies according to your liking. Even I juggle between my hobbies each Sunday. It is not any fixed routine like sketching, dancing, baking, and so on. In fact, it's a day to give chance to your hobbies and rediscover yourself. The importance of having a routine is deeper than you think, because it not only allows you to take break from your weekly chaos, hustle and stress, but also allows you to invest in yourself, invest in your body, invest in your health, and allows you to rebuild yourself. Next thing I do is hydrating myself. It's a daily routine which I continue on Sundays as well. Today it's amla juice, but I keep rotating between green tea, amla juice, kada, or just plain glass of water. It feels really good to start my day with a warm glass of water. Amla juice is a great source of immunity booster, rich in vitamin C and calcium, so it is also good for my hair and teeth health. I always enjoy reading a novel or any book while drinking my warm water. I prefer reading at mornings because it helps me to calm my mind and allows me to have that slow beginning of the day. And it is one of the reasons that motivates me to wake up early half an hour before my usual time so that I get time to read. Please do share in the comment section that which is your hobby that motivates you to wake up early. I would love to know that. A warm glass of water, a cool winter breeze, and a good book in hand. That's all you need to make your day. The next task of the day is doing my laundry, and many of you will agree that you can hate it, you can love it, but you can't ignore it. So you got to do what you got to do. My most favorite part, working out, and you can't skip this one. Since it's Sunday, I'm keeping it light and relaxing my body with light stretches, and allowing your body the much needed rest is equally important as working out, because your muscles need to rest, your muscles need to recover. So usually on Sundays I do light form of workouts like yoga or stretching. Nothing feels as great as a good workout session does. Meanwhile, my laundry is done. Later I went grocery shopping with mom, and this thing is growing on me. Like planning your meals in advance, shopping and prepping ingredients for the upcoming recipes, and keeping a track of your nutrition intake. gives me a sense of control over my diet, and it feels great. And if you're a person who have never did it, then I really encourage you to try it at least once, because the process will introduce you to different type of veggies or fruits which you have not tried before, and you might include them in your diet. So all in all, it will be a win-win situation for your diet. After all the shopping, we were a bit tired and in need for some refreshment, so headed to a cafe. I really liked their menu because they had a lot of healthy snack options. This Korean bun was definitely not a healthy option, but the sweet potato fries were really delicious and healthy. I also tried this dessert, which was coconut jaggery ice cream. It was very soothing for the stomach, and after having a quick bite, we left soon. This place, I really liked the ambience of this place, and it was a cool cafe. And before wrapping the day, I prepared a to-do list for the upcoming week, where I planned all the upcoming events, prepared a list of things which I need to get it done, things I usually do, or things I am likely to do. While planning my to-do list, I try to include all aspects such as personal, professional, spiritual, and dietary. Might feel a bit too much, but planning everything ahead makes the upcoming week less stressful and more organized. It's really helpful. And of course, not everything is going to get ticked off, and that's okay. At least I have something for the next week as well. And that's all for my Sunday reset routine. I try to keep it as realistic as possible, so do share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.